Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix the problem of setup don't support configuration or installation to disk connected through a USB on ASUS. So first we need to escape the boot menu, so click the escape and now left alt and underlined letter. This may take a while, and when it's powering on, then spam the escape button. Now with arrow down button, go to enter setup and click enter. Click F7 to open the advanced settings. With right arrow, go to advanced and arrow down to VMD setup menu. Click enter. Go to enable VMD controller, click enter and change to disabled. Now enter and enter to OK. Click F7 to escape the advanced mode and F10 to save and exit. Click enter. Now spam escape once again. Select your input menu, select your USB drive. Now this may take a while, the setup, but it's not very long. As you can see, it's powering on now. And here with tab, you can go into language to install and change it, but I only selected the English while downloading the ISO, so I can't change this. With tab again, we can change the time and currency format. And now click Alt and highlighted letter. In English it's N for next, but if you're using the keyboard in Russian or I don't know, Espanol, Italian, then it's a different letter. Now with arrow up and down you can change the keyboard and input method. Click once again Alt and highlighted letter. Now Alt and highlighted letter in here to agree to everything and that everything will be deleted. Click Alt and highlighted letter. It's getting ready a few things. After that, just accept once again with left Alt and highlighted letter. Searching for disks, and as you can see, we got rid of this problem. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.